Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo online banking, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your Wells Fargo online banking username? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your username in your Wells Fargo online banking anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some companies have their data hacked, and maybe your username was part of one of those hacks, so you need to change it for your Wells Fargo account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and change your Wells Fargo username, here on the top right, you're going to click on your name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here, My Profile. Once you do that, it's going to open up another menu, and you want to click here on Change Username. All right, once you do that, you're going to see your current username right here, and you can go ahead and type in a new username. They do let you know it should be between 6 and 14 characters and contain at least one letter. So let me go ahead and type one in. Okay, once you do that, you should see these two green check marks. That means it meets the minimum security, and then you want to click on Continue. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this green check mark, and it immediately changes your username for your Wells Fargo account. You're also going to receive an email confirming that you changed your username in Wells Fargo. Also, they do let you know on your app, if you set up Face ID or your thumbprint ID, you're going to have to approve that in the app. It's not going to work until you do that. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change your username for your Wells Fargo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.